I'm a member of the TU Berlin Alumni Program to build bridges and to make sure that other people can have a nice experience at the TU Berlin like I did. And it's also this idea that you stay in touch with, I guess, with your past also. So those are the two main reasons.
I'm part of the TU Berlin Alumni Club because it helps me to connect globally with other TUB alumni, and it helps me to stay in touch with my university. So I really, really fond memories of my time in Berlin and the TU Berlin, so connecting globally.
Mainly for networking with the other colleagues in the alumni, TUB staff and researchers.
Yeah, because we like to stay connected. I mean, when you spend so many time in some place and then you love that place, and when you go back, you are this is kind of your home too. So when you meet these people and you learn what's going on in Berlin, then it seems, okay, this is also my home. So this is really nice.
When I had to leave Berlin, I was kind of very nostalgic that I had to, leave this beautiful city and go back. I had 2 wonderful years here and a lot of memories. So when I was about to leave, I was kind of thinking, how do I keep myself connected to my university, especially to Berlin? And that's where I was just searching on the net and I happened to see a link towards the alumni program, and I said, okay, that's maybe something which can help me be connected to my university and mainly to Berlin. And that's the reason why I signed up for the alumni portal.